speech, if we want to write a sentence, if you want to make a story in English, we need some words. We need some verbs, noun, adverb, adjective, and these are called parts of speech. Clear? So there are 8 type of part of speech. First is noun, second one is pronoun, third is verb, fourth is adverb, fifth is adjective, sixth is preposition, seven is conjunction, and eight is interjection. So if we want to learn learn English or communication, we want to improve our communication, we want to know what is part of speech. And here we start from this noun. Okay. So very simple question: what is noun? If anybody telling me what is, tell me what is noun.
Yes, anybody can answer.
Anyone? See, we are here
Noun is
for
the name
learning.
of.
Yeah.
Here, no one going to judge you. Anybody can. What is noun? Exactly, exactly. Noun is a name. All name is called noun. We are learned from in childhood in our school. All name is called is noun. It is as simple as making Maggie. So in noun, all names is called is noun. Just write down. I want to clear. I want to clear proper noun and common noun logic today. So just write down what is noun. Noun is a name of person, place, or things. Noun is a name of person, place, or things. Just write down. Just write down in your copy. Noun is the name of person, place, or things.
Yeah, right, right.
Okay,
Right,
clear.
right. Clear, clear. Noun is the
Okay.
name of persons, place, and thing.
Now I'm in traditional and things. It is called noun. And in traditional English grammar, noun has a 4 types. Noun has a 5 types. In traditional grammar, noun has 5 types. First is proper noun. Second is common noun. Third is collective noun. Fourth is abstract noun. Fifth is material noun. Is it clear?
Is it clear to everybody what he is saying? Is it clear?
In traditional English, I'm not talking about modern English. In traditional English, noun is 5 types. In modern English, noun has 2 types. It's a concrete noun and abstract noun. I am not going to modern English. I am going to traditional English. There are 5 types of noun. First is collective. First is proper noun. Second is common noun. Third is material noun. Fourth is abstract noun. Fifth is collective noun. So here we are discussed to, or we are clear to proper noun and common noun.
Right, right.
So what is proper noun? If anybody, if
Yes, anybody.
anybody wants to
Subrat,
talk,
Subrat,
what
you
is
can say what
proper
is
noun?
proper noun. We have
Want to
just seen
give the
that.
answer?
Yes,
What is the proper noun?
You can check out whatever we have just.
Upanam the name person, name of person, places, things,
Okay.
etc.
Yes,
Okay,
Mr. Manoj.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Now I'm telling to you, and I'm just want to clear a logic between proper noun and common noun. So proper noun, name of a specific person, place, or thing is called proper noun. See, definition of noun. See, just see the definition of which is you write down just now. What is noun? Noun is the name of place, person, or thing. Here I am telling to you is the specific person, place, or thing. Here we adding the word specific,
Right,
right?
right, right.
Specific. Proper noun, name of a
Yes.
specific person, place, or thing.
So
Now
if I say
common
Sita
noun.
is a
Common
girl.
noun. Please write down. Please write down proper noun. Name of a specific person, place, or thing.
Okay, Mr. Manoj, if I say
Okay.
that Sita is
Let me. I'm
eating.
come here.
Okay, I've
Sir,
just
I'm come
yeah,
come
okay.
there.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Proper noun. Just write down proper noun. Name of a specific person, place, or thing is called proper noun. Now I'm coming to common noun. Okay. What is common noun? If anybody say common noun, let me. I'm clear each and every things. I want to clear.
Yes, yes.
Please be support. Please tell me what is common noun.
Yes, anybody can say what is common noun.
What is common noun?
Yes, Subrat, you can say what is it? Common noun. Hello.
See. Please don't hesitate. If you telling something wrong, कुछ भी बोलो यार. Please बोलो.
See, actually, this is a place where we have to
If you
speak.
want to learn or speak, be
Anything
practice,
you
practice,
speak.
practice, and
Yeah.
nothing else. कोई ऐसा नहीं. Yeah. Okay, I am telling to you common noun. Name of a class of a person, place or things is called common noun. See, अब जरा आप लोग जरा वहां देखिए नाउन में मैंने क्या कहा? नेम ऑफ प्लेस पर्सन थिंग्स. प्रॉपर नाउन में मैंने क्या कहा? स्पेसिफिक नेम ऑफ प्लेस पर्सन थिंग्स. कॉमन नाउन में मैंने क्या कहा? क्लास ऑफ ए पर्सन प्लेस और थिंग्स. So see here, proper noun is a word. I am adding a word specific. In common noun, I am adding a word class. So here is the difference between proper noun and common noun. Specific and common. Let's understand it with example. Suppose I am telling to you, uh, I have uh, Ram. I have so many friends. My friend is Ram, my friend is Sita, my friend is Geeta. So what is common in this Sita and Geeta and Ram? Hello,
Yeah.
Friend.
Yeah. Anybody.
Yes,
Yeah.
proper nouns.
Friends. Yeah.
hello,
Right. Right.
Friend is the common.
hello.
Yeah. Yeah, Manoj. Are you listening? No, Manoj?
Yeah, very good. These all, yeah,
Yeah, it is.
definitely.
Yeah, they are all friends. Yeah.
Yeah, bilkul. Please be a clip hand.
Yeah,
They all
Mr.
are friends.
Subrat. Yeah.
And here friends are a common noun and Sita, Geeta, Meeta is a proper noun. I am telling you.
Yes, yes. Go ahead. Yeah.
Hello,
Yeah, you're audible. You're audible.
Mr. Shubrat, you want to? I am giving to you another example. Suppose I am saying, yeah, I am saying to you, what is the common between Rahul Dravid, Virat Kohli, Yuvraj Singh, and Sachin Tendulkar?
They all are batsmen.
What is the common personalities? What is the common between Virat
Batsmen.
Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar? They all are cricketers and they all are
Yeah.
batsmen.
Batsman.
Very good, very right. Batsman or cricketer.
Can you have a big clap
So
for Mr.
here
Ambar? Yeah.
batsman or cricketer is a common noun. And Virat Kohli and Yuvraj Singh, when we emphasize or specific the name, this is called proper name, proper noun. And when is it's very common for all, it is called common noun. It's a clear. Suppose I have a fan and I have three fans. It's a company name is Polycab. It's a USA's fans or Havells fan. Fan is a common noun, and here Hables, Usha, and Polycab is the proper noun. Is it clear? Suppose I
Yes,
am
yes.
going to market and purchase a mobile. I want to purchase a mobile, and I asked to shopkeeper, please give me a mobile. And shopkeeper tell to me, sir, be specific. I have so many branded. I have Samsung, I have Oppo, I have Vivo, I have Intex. Which one you want? Then I am specific and saying to, I want to Samsung one. So here Samsung, Oppo, Vivo is a proper noun, but mobile is a common noun. Clear?
Clear, clear,
Suppose
clear,
I have,
clear. Very clear.
I'm
Yeah.
telling to you, dog is the animal, and I have a dog which name is Tuffy. So here, Tuffy dog, Tuffy dog is proper noun, and dog is a common noun. Clear?
Clear, clear.
Yeah.
Clear.
And 2 to 3 rules are proper noun. Uh, First one is proper noun is special. Uh, Proper noun is always starting from capital letters. Apart
Yeah.
from uh, apart from this, so many rules are proper nouns, like uh, the name of special days and celebration are also proper nouns, like New Year's Day, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day. These are called proper nouns. If we say the name of the days of the week and the months of the year are called proper nouns. Is it clear?
Right, right, right.
I am
Very
give to
clear.
you another example. Suppose I am
Yes, clear.
saying to my friend, I want to see monuments, and he said to me, "Let's go. We are going to Agra, see the Taj Mahal. We see the Taj Mahal." And I am saying to my friend, "No, I have seen Taj Mahal. I want to see Qutub Minar." So monuments here, monuments is a common noun, and Taj Mahal and Qutub Minar is a proper noun. Okay.
Right, right, right.
I
Very
hope
right.
you clear the logic of proper noun and common noun.
Very clear, very clear. Anybody
Yeah.
can ask if there is any question, you can ask. And I'll just make an announcement within 5 minutes.
So
This,
No, no, very clear.
the
yeah.
name of famous places.
So actually, we have also discussed the same during our
Very
WhatsApp.
clear.
Yeah, it is very clear.
So let's we discuss about our last week question answer in proper noun and common noun.
Yeah, I'll just come to that. I'm just sharing the screen. One thing, I'll be just this session will go off within 3 minutes. So after that, you can just rejoin with the same link. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can rejoin with the
Yes, sir.
same
Yes.
link. Okay. So let us go ahead with the questions that we have seen during the last week for proper and common noun.
Okay.
Anybody can come with your questions if you had any confusion with in that. Mr. Sahu, you can ask questions. Mr. Subrat, you can ask
No,
questions.
sir.
Okay. Any confusion with anybody about proper noun and common noun? Hello?
Clear, sir.
It's clear now. Okay, fine. Fine, Mr. Manoj, you have explained so well, and it is really very clear to everybody about whatever we have here as common noun and proper noun. Okay,
No, sir.
so fine. So let's go ahead. Now we'll go ahead with like say I have
No, sir.
got,
No, no confusion, sir.
okay. So this is okay. You can okay, again go
Yes.
ahead with the exercises that I
Thank you,
have
sir.
given you. So I thank Mr. Manoj very much. Like he has explained it's in such a marvelous way that everybody is clear. And I hope if you go through the study material that I have given you, that will also help you in understanding it better. Now, once Mr. Manoj has explained you everything, Now you can very well go ahead and read those things, and then you can understand it better. So this is what the main purpose of this contact class we are having, that okay, here you have a chance to discuss something, here you have a chance to ask your questions, here you have a chance to you get a chance to present yourself. Because the best thing that is needed for you here in learning a language is how you present yourself, the confidence that you get when you speak in front of few people. No, you can speak very well when you are in your house, like say whatever language you use, whether it is English, whether it is Udia, whether it is Hindi, or your regional language, any language you use, you're very comfortable when you talk in your home. But as you go out, as you go in between few persons, you lose that confidence. So in order that you have that confidence, this is very much important, that you should have a platform where you can speak. That's why we are here to participate. And I have decided that okay, we all will participate here. It's not only that me, I'll be just speaking, you'll be listening, then it's going to be of no use. So let us participate here. Now I would like to invite Mr. Subrat to present a few words that we have discussed, and any word that anyone can ask, like what we have discussed in the last week, or what you have not understood, any of the words, whether it is the special word or any word that we can go ahead and discuss. Otherwise, Mr. Subrat will go ahead and take his words. Okay, it will be just going off within 1 minute. Okay. So, Subrat, would you like to start? Yeah, Subrat. Hello. Any word anybody can ask, like if Subrat is not starting, then he can start after the the session goes away and we again rejoin, then he can start. And till then 1 minute is there. So anybody can ask for any word that you have not understood in this entire week. Yeah, Mr. Sahu, are you there, Mr. Sahu? Mr. Laba Sahu, hello.